Hello guys, have a good day. So, ngayon ay magre-review ako ng isang products ng Forever Living. So, ito yung Forever Nature Mint. So, ito guys yung pinaka paborito kong products sa Forever. So, ito guys, hindi ito nawawala sa akin. Laging mayroon. So, ano nga ba ang nakukuha natin pag uminom tayo ng Forever Nature Mint? So, ito guys, yung mga nakukuha natin pag uminom tayo ng Nature Mint. Minerals support. Yan. It contains a blend of minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, iron, zinc, and selenium, which are essential for various bodily function. Number 2 guys, yung sa bone health natin. Pag uminom tayo nito, mas magiging matibay yung mga bones natin, yung buto-buto natin. So, ito guys, yung bone health, like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus ay nandito sa Nature Mint. It plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy bones and teeth. So, yun. Nami-maintain yung healthy bones at ngipin natin. So, yung number 3 guys, energy production. Uminom ka nito, nakakakuha ka ng energy production. Several minerals and nutrients such as iron, magnesium, and zinc are involved in energy metabolism. They help in the production and utilization of energy in the body, which can contribute to reducing fatigue and maintaining vitality. So, ayan guys. Kaya napakaganda nito. Yung ika-4, yung immune system support. Nakaka-support ito sa immune system natin. Minerals like zinc and selenium are known to support immune system function. They play a role in the production of immune cells and help protect against oxidative stress, thus promoting healthy immune response. Yan. Tapos yung pang-5, cellular health. It supports enzymatic reaction, DNA synthesis, and help maintain electrolyte balance, contributing to the overall health and functioning of cells in the body. So yun guys, ang nakukuha natin pag uminom tayo ng Forever Nature Mint. Ayan. Mayroon siyang 180 tablets. So, ang pag-inom nito guys, 6 tablets a day. So, pwede mong gawin 2 sa umaga, 2 sa tanghali, 2 sa gabi. Or kung busy ka naman, 3 sa umaga or 3 sa gabi. So, yun guys. Ayan. Super ganda nito guys. Mula nung naging OFW ako, ito yung ginagamit ko. Kasi alam mo naman pag yung trabaho ng OFW, super dami, 'di ba? So nakakatulong ito guys. Tapos anemic din ako. Ito nakakatulong guys kasi mayroon na rin siyang iron. So yan, hindi na ako anemic ngayon. Matagal na ito ang gamit ko since dalaga pa ako, gumagamit na ako. So, eto guys, try nyo. Baka makatulong din ito sa sarili nyo. Yan. So, thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.